What's up, people? Today I'm going to be demonstrating the new submodels feature in the layout tools. So, for example, I'm going to go down to my singing tree female, and in layout tools, go to selected node, and you will see that the layout has been rearranged since what you guys might be used to seeing. That was so I could make room for this. This replaces the manual selection, and it is live. So I can go in here and say 54 to 125 or whatever, or 54 to 100, or 108, or of course do it this way, and then it's just like that. So you get what that does. Well, I have some submodels I've already saved, and here they are. So there's an ornament. There's an ornament. Make the same one twice. There's an ornament. There's an outline. Um, so if I wanted to, I could click this to delete it, or I could, let's say we want to do the. So let's turn on live output so we can see what we're doing, and I should be able to select the eyes. Oops. If it dies on you while you're doing this, just Control Z. You get the last thing that was selected back. You have to hit it twice sometimes. Okay, it looks right so far. Okay, now I can say eyes open. Just hit save. Now, just to prove that that worked, let's go ahead and export this. Ignore my breakpoints. Oops. I'll see my secret code. Okay, so saving the model already exists. Overwrite yes. So now I'm going to go into Xlights, and let's go ahead and import it. And that'll be singing tree female. So now when I click submodels, see I got all the submodels that I have so far in there, or the outline, or the bow. Now, what's the point of this? Well, if you're doing exactly what I'm doing here, so I'm sure. Let's say you have singing faces. Well, there isn't one, but if I make a new one, I'm gonna add it. I haven't done this in a while. Test face. Okay, so be aware of this. If you double click to where you do this and you right click, you get a totally different menu. So you want to make sure you're just selecting the square, then you right click, and now you can import submodel. So let's see, eyes open. I click import submodel, eyes open. And there you go. That's how you would populate all of those. I don't have any other setup right now, but um, once you get all your submodels set up, it's real easy to set your singing faces up like this. Anyway, that's all I got. This is just a walkthrough of the new submodels feature, and I hope it helps you guys build your light shows. John out.